Okay, this is how I set up my system, because if you look up here, you got the TP tent. I got my tent, I got my shower up there, and I got my road showers. Well, the road showers help me wash the Harley. So, you know what? I need a drone doing this thing. Anyway, long story short, this is how I wash my Harley. So, soak her down, turn it on, plenty of pressure, got the compressor hooked up to it. Look at that. Hooah! Rinse her down a little bit, and then Harley bug remover. Mainly just want to hit it where all the bugs are smacking its face. Okay, anyway, great stuff. This has lasted me for almost 2 years. Just barely spray it on, let it set, and so then you set up your bucket, which, ooh, look at that, fancy bucket. Ooh la la. Anyway, I got her set up with the mitten for washing, for scrubbing the tires, everything. So that's how I use my road shower. Road shower 4, great thing. Heats up the water, solar, works on a compressor. I got a little compressor hooked up to it. So when right here, so when it starts losing a little bit of pressure in the tank, it's automatic. I've got my solar generator in the back hooked up to my blower. Yeah, got it totally set up, man. So I'm going to pause it. I hope I can pause this thing. Damn cameras. Anyway, camping with Russ 2019, getting ready for the whole season to start. It's finally starting to stop raining, and I'm really excited. So yeah, guys, if I don't pause this, then peace out, and I'll catch you on the flip side. I don't know if I paused it. No, I did pause it. Stupid phones. Anyway, I'm gonna watch this thing, and then I'll start a new video. Maybe I'll combine them together. All right, guys, peace out. Okay, I'm running low on my battery. So, what I did, I washed her up. Got her all sparkling clean. And then I used, like I said, I used my road shower, washed her down, rinsed her down. Used all my bug remover, my quick wash, all my scrubbies on it. And then I used my chamois to wipe her all down, make it look, get all the water, extra water spots off. Then I used the blaster on it. Used my little generator, fired it up, blow dried its hair, her hair. Anyway, I blew dry it, and she's all pretty now. So, okay, guys, yeah, and hope you guys all ride safe this year. She's all ready for her checkup at the Harley dealership. They're going to go down and make sure everything is copacetic on it, and yeah, so solar generator, ran my pressure pump off the water, and then I have another little generator that I ran my blaster off of it, because it does take a lot of pressure to push out that air and stuff. So, all right, guys, peace out. Hope you have a great summer, and stay tuned to Camping Russ for the next wonderful video. All right, see ya.